Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Niagara River Recreation Trail, a scenic and invigorating path that offers a perfect blend of nature, history, and adventure. Our journey begins at the power generating station, a site that highlights the region's long-standing relationship with hydroelectric power. For over a century, the powerful currents of the Niagara River have been harnessed to generate electricity, playing a crucial role in the development and industrialization of the area. As we set off southbound, the trail guides us along the Niagara River, offering stunning views and a sense of tranquility. The Niagara River, known for its breathtaking beauty and historical significance, has been a vital waterway for Indigenous peoples, explorers, and settlers alike. It serves as an international border between Canada and the United States, and is renowned for its awe-inspiring natural features. The trail takes us through lush landscapes and diverse ecosystems, providing a habitat for a variety of wildlife and plant species. This area is part of the Niagara Escarpment, a UNESCO World Biosphere Reserve, which is recognized for its unique geological features and ecological importance. The escarpment's rugged cliffs and forested slopes create a dramatic backdrop for our ride, offering a glimpse into the natural beauty that defines this region. Our journey culminates at the Whirlpool Aero Car, a historic cable car that has been offering panoramic views of the Niagara Whirlpool since 1916. Designed by Spanish engineer Leonardo Torres Quevedo, the Aero Car provides a thrilling ride above the swirling waters, offering a unique perspective on the river's power and beauty. The Niagara River Recreation Trail is more than just a path. It's an invitation to explore, discover, and connect with the natural and historical treasures of Niagara Falls. Whether you're a cyclist, a hiker, or simply someone who appreciates the great outdoors, this trail offers an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of this remarkable area. Welcome to the Niagara River Recreation Trail, where your journey takes you on an unforgettable adventure from the iconic Whirlpool Aero Car to the majestic Horseshoe Falls. As we begin our southbound ride, you'll find yourself immersed in the natural beauty and rich history that define this remarkable region. We start at the Whirlpool Aero Car, a historic cable car that has been offering breathtaking views of this natural wonder since 1916. As we continue along the trail, we ride alongside the Niagara River. The river has been a vital part of the region's history, serving as a natural boundary and a source of inspiration and sustenance for Indigenous peoples and early settlers. Its beauty and power have attracted visitors from around the world. The trail guides us through lush landscapes and diverse ecosystems, part of the Niagara Escarpment, a UNESCO World Biosphere Reserve. This unique geological formation is home to a wide variety of plant and animal life, offering a glimpse into the rich biodiversity of the area. The escarpment's rugged cliffs and forested slopes provide a stunning backdrop for our ride. This part of our ride ends at Horseshoe Falls, also known as Canadian Falls. It is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world, known for its breathtaking beauty and sheer power. The falls have inspired countless artists, writers, and musicians, capturing the imagination of all who behold them. Whether you're a local or a visitor, the Niagara River Recreation Trail offers a chance to connect with the natural world and appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. Thanks for watching!